Yo, why wait till you're 40 to be rich? If you're a teen with a phone and a brain, you've already got what it takes. I'm breaking down real ways to build wealth while your friends are still broke. Let's go. Your future starts now. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Folks, let me tell you something straight. When it comes to money, starting young is like getting a massive head start in a race. You have the most valuable asset on your side: time. Think about it. If you learn to handle money wisely as a teenager, you're setting yourself up for a life with less stress and more freedom. Starting early means small, smart choices can grow into big, beautiful results down the road. Imagine two people. One starts saving and investing a little bit each month in their teens. The other waits until they are in their 30s or 40s to get serious. Who do you think will be in a better financial position later in life? That's right, the early bird. The power of compound interest works its magic over longer periods. So the sooner you plant those financial seeds, the taller your money tree will grow. Don't wait until you're older or making more money. Start now with whatever you have. The habits you build today as a teenager will stick with you for a lifetime. Your future self will thank you, believe me. Let's get started on this path together, right now. Now let's clear something up. When I talk about building wealth, I'm not just talking about having a pile of cash in the bank. Sure, money is a part of it, a tool. But true wealth is so much more than just dollar bills. Wealth is about security. It's about freedom. It's about having options in life. It means you're not living paycheck to paycheck, stressed out about how you're going to pay the next bill. Wealth means you can weather a storm, like a job loss or an unexpected medical expense, without it completely derailing your life. It's a state of financial well-being. Think of it this way: money is what you use to buy stuff. You can have money today and be broke tomorrow if you spend it all unwisely. Wealth, on the other hand, is what you own that has value and can generate more money or provide security. This includes things like investments, a paid-for home, or a business. It's about assets, not just income. True wealth is sustainable and provides peace of mind. Alright, so you understand why starting early is important and what true wealth means. Now let's talk about getting some money flowing in. You can't save or invest if you don't have anything to save or invest, right? As a teenager, you have more opportunities to earn money than you might think. It's time to roll up your sleeves and get to work. Don't be afraid of starting small. Every dollar you earn is a step in the right direction, a seed you can plant for your future. The key is to find something that fits your skills, your interests, and your schedule. Think about traditional part-time jobs first. Many local businesses hire teenagers. This could be working at a grocery store, a restaurant, a retail shop, or even a local library. These jobs teach you valuable skills like customer service, responsibility, and time management, all while putting money in your pocket. Don't underestimate the power of a consistent paycheck, even if it seems small at first. It's about building the habit of working and earning. Plus, you'll learn how the real world of employment operates, which is an education in itself. Then there are side hustles. This is where you can get creative. Once you start earning that money, the next crucial step is learning how to save it. It's so easy to let that hard-earned cash slip through your fingers on things you don't really need. But if you want to build wealth, saving isn't optional, it's essential. Saving is like building a strong foundation for your financial house. Without it, everything else can come crashing down. It's the discipline of telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. This habit, learned young, will serve you for the rest of your life. So, how do you save smartly? First, you need a goal. Why are you saving? Is it for a big purchase like a car, for college, or for your first investment? Having a clear goal makes it easier to say no to impulse buys. Next, make saving automatic. Every time you get paid, whether it's from your job or a side hustle, decide on a percentage or a specific amount that goes directly into savings before you do anything else. Pay yourself first. Don't just save what's left over, because often there's nothing left over. A simple savings formula I like is the save, spend, give model. For every dollar you earn, decide how much goes into each category. Section 5. Making your money work for you, the power of investing early. Alright, you're earning money and you're saving a portion of it. That's fantastic. Now let's talk about taking things to the next level. Investing. Investing is how you make your money start working for you, instead of you always working for your money. It sounds complicated, but the basic idea is simple. You put your money into things that have the potential to grow in value over time, like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. For teenagers, the most powerful tool you have on your side when investing is time, thanks to something called compound interest. Compound interest is like magic, but it's real. It's interest earning interest. Here's how it works. You invest some money, and it earns a return. Then, that return gets added to your original investment, and the new larger amount earns a return. It snowballs. The longer your money is invested, the more powerful the compounding effect becomes. Starting in your teens, even with small amounts, can lead to a surprisingly large nest egg by the time you retire. It's why I say the best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is today. Now, as a teenager you might be thinking, how can I even start investing? I don't have much money. That's okay. You don't need a fortune to begin. There are ways to invest with small amounts, like through custodial accounts that your parents can help you set up. Look into good growth stock mutual funds. Section 6. Learn before you earn more. Why financial smarts pay off. Earning, saving, and investing are all crucial pieces of the puzzle. But underpinning all of this is financial education. You've got to learn about money to make it, keep it, and grow it. Think of it like this. You wouldn't try to fly an airplane without taking flying lessons, would you? Well, navigating the world of personal finance without some knowledge can be just as risky. The more you learn about how money works, the better decisions you'll make, and the fewer mistakes you'll fall into. Financial literacy is power. So where can you get this education? It's all around you. Start by talking to your parents or other trusted adults about money. Ask them how they budget, save, and invest. Read books on personal finance. There are many great books out there written specifically for beginners and even for teens. Look for authors who promote sensible, long-term strategies, not get-rich-quick schemes. Your local library is a fantastic free resource for these kinds of books. Section 7. Debt is dumb. Common money traps to sidestep. Now let's talk about something really important, avoiding debt. Debt is a thief. It steals your income, it steals your peace of mind, and it steals your future. As a teenager, you might not be facing big debts like mortgages yet, but the habits you form now around borrowing money can set you up for a lifetime of struggle or a lifetime of freedom. The world will try to convince you that debt is normal, that you need a credit card to build credit, or that you can just buy now, pay later. Don't fall for it. Debt is dumb. One of the biggest traps for young people is the credit card. Banks will be eager to give you one once you turn 18. They make it sound so convenient, so adult. But credit cards make it incredibly easy to spend money you don't have. That small purchase suddenly balloons with high interest rates, and before you know it, you're stuck in a cycle of minimum payments, going nowhere fast. If you can't pay it off in full every single month, you can't afford it. Period. Use a debit card instead, which uses your own money. Another trap is keeping up with the Joneses, or in your case, keeping up with your friends. Section 8. The Giving Principle. A key to true financial peace. We've talked a lot about earning, saving, and investing your money. These are all vital steps on the road to financial well-being. But there's another piece to this puzzle. A piece that often gets overlooked but is incredibly important for achieving true financial peace and, I believe, true wealth. That piece is giving, generosity. It might sound counterintuitive. How can giving money away help you build wealth? But trust me on this one, it's a powerful principle that changes your relationship with money for the better. When you make giving a regular part of your financial plan, even when you're a teenager and don't have a lot, it does something to your heart and your mindset. It helps you realize that money is a tool, not just for your own benefit, but to make a positive impact on the world around you. It shifts your focus from me, to how can I help others? This perspective helps keep greed at bay and fosters a sense of gratitude for what you do have, rather than constantly craving more. It's about contentment. Think about it. When you give, whether it's to a local charity, your place of worship, or someone in need, you're investing in your community and in humanity. Section 9. Your money, your future. It's all about your choices. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what real wealth is to earning your first dollars, saving smartly, investing for the long haul, the importance of financial education, avoiding debt, and the power of giving. It might seem like a lot to take in, especially when you're young. But here's the bottom line, the most important takeaway I want you to remember. Your financial future is determined by the choices you make, starting right now. It's not about how much money you make, it's about what you do with the money you make. You are the CEO of your own life and your own finances. No one else can make these decisions for you. You can choose to spend every dollar you get, live paycheck to paycheck, or allowance to allowance, and maybe even get into debt. Or you can choose to be intentional. You can choose to learn, to save, to invest, and to build a future where you are in control of your money, not the other way around. The path to financial peace isn't complicated, but it does require discipline and consistent effort. It's about making small, wise choices every single day. Don't let fear or overwhelm stop you. Start small. If you earn $20 mowing a lawn, decide right then, how much will I save? How much can I give? How much is for spending? Every decision is a step, and don't be discouraged by mistakes. Everyone makes financial mistakes. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. I'm sure you've heard the news, saving is the new cool. Open a free high-yield savings account today and set up automatic transfers. Even $10 a week adds up fast. Start the habit now, and your future self will thank you big time. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.